Hello and welcome to JApply. Today, I'll guide you step by step to discover how to use JApply and transform your journey into a clear, structured, and impactful CV. You'll be able to easily create your CV, cover letter, and optimize your chances with ATS systems. 1. Account creation. First, create your account. You can fill out the registration form or simply log in with your Gmail address. Once logged in, you'll have direct access to your personal space, ready to be customized. 2. Profile setup. Before going further and generating your documents, take a moment to complete your profile. Talk about your past, your experiences, your achievements, your present, what you're doing today, and your future, your ambitions and goals. This information will help JApply understand you better and create content that truly reflects your journey. While setting up your profile, keep this in mind. Each experience is structured in 3 layers: the company you worked for, the projects you completed within that company, and your detailed contributions to each project, described using the STAR method: situation, task, actions, and results. This structure allows JApply to clearly understand your professional journey. Adding companies. Next, simply add the companies you've worked for. Indicate the name, type of contract, and if something is missing, don't worry, you can let us know so we can add it. Adding projects. For each company, enter the projects you contributed to. Each project represents an important part of your professional experience and makes your journey more vivid. Adding contributions, STAR method. Now comes the key step, your contributions. To describe them, JApply uses the STAR method: situation, task, actions, and results, highlighting clear impacts or measurable numbers. A simple and effective way to highlight your achievements clearly and impactfully. 3. CV generation. When everything is ready, you can now move to creating your tailored CV and cover letters. You simply need to provide the job description and the magic will begin. JApply will then generate your CV and cover letter in just a few minutes. For now, documents are produced in English. 4. Queue system. To make things smoother, JApply shows a real-time estimated waiting time. The shorter the queue, the faster the processing. A simple way to follow the progress of your request. 5. Results analysis. Once the generation is complete, go to Details to view your generated CV and cover letter. You'll also see a complete analysis, your strengths, areas for improvement, and personalized advice. A true guide to help optimize your application. Next step. There you have it. Now you know how to use JApply effectively, calmly, and with ease. Now it's your turn to create, improve, and showcase your journey with just one click. Wishing you all the best.